From the opulent journey of the future. Greetings. By 2026, Audi plans to revolutionize luxury on wheels, so put your preconceived notions about RVs aside. The technology and design prowess of the 2026 Audi Motorhome, which combines an adventurous attitude with Audi flair, will wow you. The outside of the car has a futuristic and minimalist vibe thanks to Audi's recognizable clean lines, eye-catching and versatile matrix LED lighting, and an aerodynamic profile that is both visually beautiful and tuned for maximum efficiency, especially to complement its powertrain. The 2026 Audi Motorhome is actually expected to come with two state-of-the-art options. Either a full electric EV powertrain powered by a strong electric motor with a large battery capacity for a long range, or a plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain that combines an efficient TFSI petrol engine with an electric motor to provide optimal range flexibility and low emissions. It is immediately apparent that the driver's cabin is rather opulent and furnished with cutting-edge equipment. The dashboard of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is the perfect combination of modern design and practicality. Audi's most recent MMI infotainment system, which has 3D navigation and state-of-the-art networking, is housed in the control center, a massive, curved OLED screen. The driver's instruments are fully digital, with movable, clear graphics and an augmented reality head-up display that puts critical information in front of you. A distinctive and concentrated cockpit experience is produced by high-end components including Valcona leather, matte carbon fiber, and polished metal accents. Furthermore, user-friendly haptic feedback controllers have mostly taken the role of traditional buttons. The main interior area is an unrivaled sanctuary of elegance and beauty. Because of its enormous size and modular design, it may be arranged in a variety of ways to meet your needs. The plush leather chairs may be fully swiveled or folded flat to create a spacious lounge for relaxing or a sophisticated dining area. Large panoramic windows that provide expansive views of the outdoors and adjustable multicolor LED ambient lighting create the perfect atmosphere for any event. Audi's commitment to environmentally responsible luxury is evident in the interior material's significant use of carbon fiber, open-pore wood, and sustainable premium fabrics. The bedroom is a lovely, peaceful retreat. It has a comfortable king-size bed, soft sheets, and an opulent memory foam mattress. The design is straightforward, cozy, and has independent reading lights and efficient hidden storage. Windows with motorized shades provide total privacy, and soundproofing ensures a good night's sleep away from outside disturbances. Additionally, certain designs might include a guest pull-down bed. The bathroom in the 2026 Audi Motorhome is similar to having a mobile spa. This elegantly designed bathroom has a full-size shower with a rain head and digital temperature control, a high-end ceramic toilet, and an elegant sink with a designer faucet. Surfaces feature high-end waterproof materials like quartz stone or modern composites, LED-lit mirrors, and an efficient ventilation system. Everything is kept tidy and organized by the cleverly incorporated toiletry box. The kitchen of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is an exquisite illustration of both design and efficiency. Reputable manufacturers produce the high-end appliances in this gourmet kitchen. It features a 2-burner induction stove, a built-in microwave and convection oven, a huge refrigerator and freezer, and even a compact dishwasher. The kitchen counter is made of a strong and fashionable solid surface material and has a large sink with a modern pull-out faucet. Ergonomic storage cabinets that provide ample space for all of your belongings and cooking utensils allow you to create delicious meals wherever you go.